Hey guys, Joe here from JCS-Charting. It's Tuesday, the 17th of September. A quick look at the DAX, gold, and Bitcoin. You see here an hourly chart of the JFD indication of the DAX, and we were somewhere here after striking that 18,700 target on my last video update, and then we pulled back yesterday to hit that green zone. I was giving that green zone when DAX actually pulled back here. To my members, I was even twittering that on X, and I said 18,744 should be the target, the first target for that. We were hitting that this morning, and 18,840 is the open target of that blue sequence. 18,840 is also a level on the H4. We switch into that chart. Yeah, this is a zoom in of the H4 subcycle etc. chart. It determines all these short-term lows here shown in the yellow circles. Last time I gave you already that magnet level at 18,834. At the JFD it's 18,850. We also got the last target of the H1 at 840, so I assume to hit this level anytime soon, and I also expect a rejection there. There's like a 75% probability, according to my system, that we reject there and run into a subcycle low, and then we run up again to actually make this blue sequence. The other 25% probability that we break straight through. That could happen because we got that Fed cut rate event tomorrow, so there is a lot of volatility. However, I still assume a pullback and then another run up. And a quick look at the daily chart. We talked about that descending broadening wedge pattern, which pulled back here in the latest correction, and there was also that daily pop gun, which popped to the upside. We made already 100% duplication today and even more. There should be a pullback anytime soon, and once we look at that level at 18,490, it could fit very nicely into the next subcycle low we just talked about. We jump into gold. Hourly time frame JFD indication was drawing that falling bullish flag channel here into the chart. This is actually another long opportunity in my point of view. If this bullish flag works out, 2571 could be used as an entry. You shouldn't give it more than 10 points. And we could run all the way up to 2600. The risk reward is actually quite good for this case. Note that the 2589, which was the high yesterday, got rejected twice here at that level. It's the first mint target only, and I assume at least a second mint target to be hit at 2600 at gold. The H4 of gold is also bullish still. We rejected at that 100% range target. I gave you also in my last update, and the H4 allows a pullback to 2554, by the way. There are open targets at 2609 and 2631 for that green sequence, which definitely triggered. So the H4 wants to run even higher before we could see actually a turnaround. Last but not least, Bitcoin, H1 thread out of the Discord. I also was posting that on Twitter, that setup that we most likely finished that red sequence. That happened right here, and then I gave my members also my entries here at 57,815. I gave it like a 400-point stop, it sounds quite big, but for Bitcoin it's actually nothing. And we were going for these blue targets. And this is a live chart. As you can see, we are already 1600 points in profit. You should drag your stop up at least to entry levels, and 59,568 might play an important role here. We need to recapture that blue 100% in order to run higher here. So you should have taken already profits. I took already 30% out. I will take another 20% out here, and I will leave the last 50% for runners for the 61,000 level. Yeah, that's about it. You can leave me a like or a nice comment. Be careful about tomorrow. There will be lots of volatility, and if you want to join our Discord with setups like that, you can join us and book a package. There are two different ones, a basic and an advanced. The advanced covers Bitcoin and gold and all that stuff. You won't have that in the basic. It's $42.99 or $74.99 at JCS-Charting.com. I wish you a successful trading week. Thank you and bye-bye.